One of my executive coaching clients is extremely pumped up because he just got assigned to a cherry 2-year project. Now, there's another reason why he's extremely pumped up about that particular project, and I'm going to share that with you at the end of the video. Now, what's important to understand is that when you're shifting a PM from one project to another, you want to make sure that the PM is set up for success and that the PM who's going to be taking over the project that the first PM is working on is also set up for success. So my client is committed to a very simple 3-step process in order to make sure that happens. The first thing he's going to do is he's going to prepare for a handoff meeting with the new project manager who's taking over his projects so that he can go to the 2-year project. And specifically, he's going to block out time to get down on paper all of his thoughts, all of the issues the new PM is going to be facing so that the new PM can get up and running from day one. And that time blocking is going to be a challenge for him because he's so busy with other stuff, but he's committed to doing that so that that handoff meeting goes well. Second thing he's going to do is he's going to schedule time for the new PM to come out with him into the field to meet the foreman, the leadman, and the guys and gals out in the field doing the work so that that relationship between the new PM and the field folks is built from the beginning. We know those silos that can occur between the field and the office. You want to make sure those are overcome and that the new PM is comfortable working with the field and vice versa. And then the third thing he's going to do is have a second handoff meeting. This time he's going to hand off the new PM to the GC that he's working with. The GC really likes working with my PM who's going to be going to this new project. And so you want to make sure that that personal relationship between GC and PM is transferred to the new PM. And so that means spending some time together with the new PM and the GC, making sure the GC is crystal clear that this is going to be your new point of contact. This is going to be the person that you can rely upon so that the PM who's transferring to the new project doesn't get a bunch of calls from the GC distracting them from the new work that they're on. So those are 3 things you can do to make sure there's a smooth transition when you're moving one PM to another project. Number 1, get that PM doing excellent handoff meetings with the PM taking over the work from them. Number 2, get the project manager who's new out into the field to meet the field folks. And number 3, have that second handoff meeting between the old PM, the GC, and the new PM so that you establish that relationship. This is an excellent process that you can use to make sure that your projects are running smoothly. And by the way, let me tell you the other reason why my client's pumped up. Not only is it a 2-year project, but it's only 2 minutes from his house. So you can imagine he's extremely excited about that short commute. My name is Anderton. Hope you found this video helpful. Appreciate you watching.